Hey guys, this side Narayan, and I welcome once again all the viewers in this video and my YouTube channel as well. So guys, as you can see on the screen, I have brought up one more very important topic, which is troubleshooting storage devices, basically hard disks. So in this, I will be talking about what are the symptoms or what are the error generally we face while dealing with the systems and all. So let me begin with this, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment on this video, share this video and like this video. So guys, here it is just very simple, you can say, introduction of this one, common storage device issues. So each type of storage device has issues specific to that device, and you will need to recognize the symptoms, problems and solution for each issues. Okay, very simple things. As IT guy, IT professional, it is our job. We should be very good to identify, or we should be very good to know what is the symptom, so what could be the problems and what could be the solution for this. And there are many problems you might encounter when troubleshooting hard drives. So let me talk you about one by one. Very simple, and very first one is symptom 1. For example, boot error, boot error message, drive, this is first one. Not ready system, second. And halted, okay, you are just switched on your system and you are seeing this kind of errors. So what could be the reason for this? So for first one, your drive is damaged, okay. Second one, drive is not configured for master or cable select as appropriate to the system. For not ready system error. And halted, the data cable is not connected or incorrectly connected to the drive. So these are the very common problem for these kind of symptoms. So now what you need to do in this condition, very simple, just visually inspect the drive and its connections and correct as needed. If it is if it is connected to wrong port or that cable is not connected, you just need to reconnect all the cables properly and your all the problems will be rectified. This boot error message also, not ready system also, or halted system also. So this is the very first symptom, okay. Now next one is like symptom 2, post error. So there are lots of you can say the couple of errors we generally see on the screen at the time of your system boot, at the time of post, which is known as power on self test. So it start from 1700, and this is a range of post error basically. So there are couple of errors here. For example, very first one, 1701, drive not found, okay. So this one is first. Second one, 702, hard drive adapter not found. Third one, 703, hard drive failure. So you need to be very specific and careful about this one, okay. If it is 1 2 3 4, what could be the reason? So it will be very easy to identify and rectify. Now hard drive and adapter failure for 4. And now if we talk about 1780, 1790, hard drive 0 failed. In this condition 0 will be failed. Now it is like 81 91, hard drive 1 failed. If it is 72 82 1782, hard drive controller failed. So these are the symptom, and you will get all those things at the time of post only. So how will you rectify it? Simple, once again, visually inspect connections and connect drive and replace failed components. So we have to verify whether if anything is damaged, any cable or drive or any port like that. So you have to physically check. Now next one is very simple, like which is symptom third, can't read from or write to drive. So this is what you are getting on your screen. So what are the problems here? So very first one could be like bad sector on the drive, okay. The next one is RQU conflict, drive failure, virus attack. Some problem that appears to be storage device problem are actually virus infections, and these can cause physical damage as well, but they usually just damage the files on the storage device and not the device itself. So if we suspect like it is a virus kind of problem, then we should use good antivirus for that. And how we can rectify this? If it is like bad sector, so we can run chkdsk command, okay, to try to recover information from bad sector and to mark those sector as unusable, and check drive manager for hardware resource conflict and for indication of drive failure, run virus check software and remove any virus found. So these are the solutions, very simple solutions we can uh, use. We should generally try at the time of this kind of error, can't read or write to drive. Okay, the next symptom is computer will not boot. So symptom 4 it is, your system is not booting. So what could be the problem? Drive disconnected, damaged, or recognized by or not recognized by the BIOS. So your hard drive might be disconnected from your system, or that SATA cable is not connected to your hard disk, or your this hard disk has completely gone damaged. These are the basic problems. So how will you rectify it? Simply visually inspect and reconnect the drive and enable drive in CMOS setup utility. So we have to check whether that drive is enabled or not in CMOS. Next symptom, guys, repeated grinding noises. So we are getting this kind of problem. So what could be the these are the symptoms basically. Okay, this symptom. Now what could be the problem for this symptom? Physical damage drive, not likely due to most likely due to head crash. So your head of that hard drive might be has crashed. So this is a very simple reason for this kind of, or inside something, some hardware is gone damaged. That is the main cause of repeated grinding noises. Solution: replace the hard drive, remind user and technician not to move machine while it is in use, because that is the most common cause of head crash. For example, your system is running and you are moving here and there, so you should not do that. Now next symptom is symptom 6, which is data corruption or utility not running properly. So what are the reasons here? So guys, the very simple: system not being shut down properly, drive is in the process of falling, or virus. So these are the very common problem for this data corruption or utility not running properly. How will you rectify this one? So educate user on how to properly shut down the system. Okay, and run virus protection software, backup data, replace failing drive. So these are the very simple solution we can uh, use at the time of this kind of error, like data corruption or utility not running properly. Now the next symptom, which is 7th, data corruption or utility not running. This was 6th only, I think I took 2 time. Okay, this one is like, guys, your your system is very slow. Okay, this is the symptom for system very slow. So how will rectify? So first of all, drive is too full or defragment. So how we can do it? We can go to uh, your user is reporting my system is working very slow. So what could be the reason in that condition? Like drive is full or fragmented. So we need to do it like that. We need to do defragmentation and all, or like disk cleanup, this defragmentation we can try. Okay, so possible reason is this first of all, and the drive controller is too slow problem, and incorrect or slower cable was used to connect to drive. So just delete unneeded files, defragment the drive, verify and replace the hard drive cable if necessary. So what all those things we can do from here only. Just now I showed you. We can go to all program, here accessories, and here system tools, and we can try like clean up drive or disk defragmentation. Okay, so these are the very simple technique we can use or solutions at the time of this kind of error, like drive slow. Okay, here it should come drive slow. So guys, in this video this much information only. I'm sure this video will be informative. Thanks for watching for this video, and don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, so that in next videos you will be getting the updated one. Till then, bye bye.